1, 2, 3.
Bren Mar Park!
Jason Panuti and Aaron Lear. You have amazing results, both just academically, school climate. Tell us the secrets going on over here of success.
Well, first it comes from our teachers. We have wonderful teachers in our school, and they believe in teaming and that all kids can learn.
Well, you've really done a lot about creating these teacher teams and being intentional around that. Talk a little bit about some of the instructional strategies you've used with those teams, Jason.
So first we build the capacity of our teams, and especially our team facilitators. They lead the team meetings. So we spend a lot of our PD around building their capacity to lead those teams without extra support. So if one person isn't there like an instructional coach, that team does not fall flat, and that team meeting goes on and they're super productive.
Well, we're really proud of the work you're doing. I saw a lot of reading workshop.
Absolutely.
As early as kindergarten, you have kids in reading and writing about their reading each and every day. And reading and writing is just a powerful foundation for literacy. Aaron, anything you want to share with the crew here in Fairfax County Schools? You were an instructional coach and you became an assistant principal. How was that journey?
It's been a great journey. I feel like I've learned a lot about what makes quality instruction and how to get teachers to implement that instruction in their classroom, and I feel like it's served me well as I've become an assistant principal.
Well, you know how proud I am. Of course, I was at Herndon High School as an administrator, and you were a student.
I was.
So I don't know what that says about how old I am, but I'm so proud to see a Fairfax County product like you coming back to the Fairfax family and being a part of changing thousands of lives here.
Yeah.
And we're really proud of you.
Yeah, I'm excited
So
about
Proud
it.
of you too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys.
Yeah,
Great job.
Thanks for being here.
Have a great day, Fairfax.